In today's video, I am going to teach you how to format numbers in Excel. Formatting numbers in Excel is a simple way to make your spreadsheet easier to read and more professional. It helps you display values in the right style, whether you are working with money, percentages, or dates. The good news is that Excel makes this process very quick, once you know where to look. To begin, highlight the numbers that you want to format. You can click and drag over a group of cells, or select a single cell if you only need to change one value. This first step is important because Excel will only apply the formatting to the cells you have selected. If you are working with a large table, take a moment to confirm that the correct numbers are highlighted before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab on the top ribbon. This is where many of Excel's most commonly used tools are located, including the options for number formatting. Once you are on the Home tab, look for the number group. This section controls how values appear inside your cells without changing the underlying data itself. That means the number stays the same, but the way it is displayed becomes clearer and more useful. Inside the number group, click the drop-down menu. In many cases, this menu will currently say General, which is Excel's default number format. The General setting displays values in a basic way, but it does not always give you the most helpful presentation for your data. Opening this menu lets you choose a more specific format based on the type of information you are working with. From the drop-down list, choose a preset style that fits your numbers. For example, currency will add a $sign and display the value in a money format, which is useful for prices, budgets, or financial reports. Percentage will add a percent symbol and adjust the display to show values as percentages, which works well for rates, growth, or completion data. You can also choose short date if your numbers represent dates and you want them shown in a clean standard date format. As you select each option, Excel updates the appearance of your data right away. This makes it easy to test a format and immediately see whether it matches your needs. If you are unsure which one to use, think about what the number represents and choose the format that makes that meaning obvious at a glance. That covers everything you need to know.